1-800-348-2121. That's 1-800-348-2121. 1-800-348-2121. Or go to selectquote.com. Since 1985, we shop, you save.
Get full details on the example policies at selectquote.com/commercials. Your premium could vary depending on your health, issuing company, and other factors. Not available. Issued severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties or areas: Breckenridge, Grayson, Ohio, Kentucky. At 8:49 p.m. on March 18th, 2022, effective until 9:04 p.m. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:00 p.m. CDT for western Grayson, south central Breckenridge, and east central Ohio counties. At 8:49 p.m. CDT, the severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Litchfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Caneyville, Concord, Indian Valley, Heights Falls, Steph, Shreve, Post, Towsey, Falling Branch, and Axtell. Tornado. Possible hail threat. Radar indicated max hail size less than 0.75 in wind threat. Radar indicated max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.